Actually, today my topic is about implementation of single linked list. My name is T. Balasnihita. My URK number is my registration number is URK 19CS1222. Hash, hashtag include studio.h, include studio.library.h. Then we have to take start node. Then we have to give int data where start node next, and we have to close the function, and again start not head new we have to give new node temp pre node. Then int choice is equals to 1, character I equal to 1, int count. Then again we have to give temperature is equals to head, int length equal to 0, while temperature is not equals to 0. Then again we have to give length plus, then temperature is equals to temperature minus or greater than next. Then again we have to close the function. Then again we have to return to the length, and we have to close. Then again we have to give as void instead, where we have to give, again we have to open the function and we have to give int b. Then we have to print enter where to be installation, print 1 where introduction at beginning, print 2 introduction at given position, print 3 introduction at end. Then again we have to print enter the choice. Then again we have to scan %d dot address b. Then we have to use switch case, where case 1 is, we have to use case 1, we have to open the bracket and we have to use new node is equals to start node into maclog size of stack node. Then again we have to print enter the data to be instruction. Then again we have to scan %d new node data. Then again new node minus or greater than next is equals to head is equals to new node. Then again we have to break, again we have to use second case into position j equal to 1, new node is equal to structure node into maclog size of structure node. Then print enter the position, scan %d address position. If position is greater than count, then print invalid position, else temperature is equals to head while j is less than position. Then again temperature is equals to temperature minus or less than next. Then we have to use j plus plus. Again we have to print input as enter the data to be introduction. Then again we have to scan %d new node minus or greater than data, new node minus or less than next is equals to temperature minus less than next. Then temperature minus less than next is equals to new node. Then again we have to break. Then again we have to use case 3, where new node is equals to structure node into maclog size of structure node. Then again we have to print enter the data to be instruction at the last. Then again we have to scan %d address new node minus greater than data. Then again new node minus or greater than next is equals to 0, where temperature is equals to head, while temperature minus or greater than next if not 0. Then again temperature is equal to temperature minus or greater than next. Then again temperature minus less than next is equals to new node. Then again we have to break default, if not print error. Then again we have to use void delete int c, there we have to print there we have to print enter whether to be deleted, deleted from beginning. We have to print all these statements as entered wait to be deleted, and number 1 delete from beginning, number 2 delete from end, number 3 delete delete from the position. Then print again, we have to print enter your choice, then we have to scan %d and address C, when again we have to use switch case, and switch 1 where temp is equals to head, where head is equals to temp minus next minus greater than next, then again free temp, and we have to close and we have to break again. Then again we have to use case 2 where temp is equals to head while temp minus or greater than next, if not 0. Then we have to use pre not is equals to temp is equals to temp minus greater than next. If temp is equals to head equal to 0, else pre not minus greater than next is equals to 0. Then again we have to print free temp and we have to break. Again we have to use case 3, touch node into text node into position k equal to 1, temperature equals to head, print enter the position, scan %d address position, while k less than position minus 1, we have to print, we have to give temperature is equals to temperature minus greater than next k plus plus. Then again we have to use text node is equals to temperature minus greater than next, temperature minus greater than next is equal to next node minus greater than next, then free next node. Then we have to break. Default we have to get print error and we have to close the functions. Then again we have to void display where we have to open the function and where we have to give temperature is equals to head while temp not equal to 0. Then we have to print %d comma temperature minus greater than data, then temp is equals to temp minus next. Then we have to close. Again we have to give void search int value, print enter the value, scan %d value. Then we have to give temp equal to head while temp may not be 0, and we have to give if temperature minus greater than data equals to value. Then again we have to print key is found, we have to give key is found. Then we have to return. Again we have to use temperature is equals to temperature minus greater than next minus greater than next. Then again we have to print %d is not found and value, and we have to give the value where void main equal to head equal to 0. Again we have to give the input as enter some data in the linked list, and again we have to use while choice new node equals to stack node into matlock into size of stack node, and we have to give again input as enter the data, and we have to scan %d address new node minus greater than data, new node minus greater than next equal to 0. If head equal to 0, head equal to temp equal to new node, else temp minus greater than next is equals to new node, temp equal to new node, print. Then we have to print again, do you want to continue 0 comma 1, scan %d, and we have to choose the choice while 1 print enter the operations do you want, enter the operations do you want to perform. Then again we have to print 1 insert, 2 delete, 3 display, 4 search, 5 exist. Then again we have to print enter your choice, scan percentage d, and character, switch character, case 1 insert break, case 2 delete break, case 3 display break, case 4 search break, case 5 exit 1 break, default print error. By this I am going to complete my program and I am going to run my program. First I am entering the data as 23. Then do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue, so I am pressing 1. Then again I am choosing choice as 36, entering the data. And do you want to continue? 0, no, I don't want to continue, so again I am pressing 0. By this I am entering the choice 1, and again I am choosing choice as 62. And again I am choosing choice 3. I am running my program again, where I am entering data 23. Do you want to continue? 1. Again I am entering data as 36. Do you want to? No, 0. And I am entering the choice as 1. And again I am choosing enter your choice, and I am choosing 3. And I am entering my last value. Enter the data to be inserted at the last, and I am choosing it as 62. And again I am entering the choice as 3. Now I am entering the choice 5. By this I completed my program finished with exit code, and I successfully completed the code.